In this video, let's see how to add a sourcing request to a new pipeline project in the Source to Pay workspace. Navigate to Workspace. From the drop-down menu, select Source to Pay workspace. In the List menu, navigate to All Work and select Sourcing Requests. Select a sourcing request that is either in Pending Review or Pending Approval state. In the Details view, click Add to Pipeline Project. In the dialog box, select Add to a new pipeline project. Enter a short description. Select a project type from the list. Select an estimated start date. Select a spend category. Click Add to add the sourcing request to a new pipeline project. The sourcing request has been successfully added to a new pipeline project.